What was yesterday, Hadley?
Easter.
Easter. Did you have a good Easter?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and we hope you guys had an awesome Easter too. What are we going to draw today?
A sunflower.
Yeah, we're drawing an awesome, cute little sunflower. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You got a marker and some paper. Ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our cartoon face. We're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. And I'm going to draw them up here so that we can draw a really long stem. So I'm going to draw 2 circles. One like that. And then one over here. So with a little space in between them. Then in the top right, let's draw smaller circles to make our sunflower's eyes look shiny. Yeah, and then we could draw even smaller circles down here in the bottom left. Now let's color in the big circle, but leave the 2 little ones white. Now we could draw the mouth. I'm just going to draw a cute little smile right in between the eyes. Now let's draw the face for our sunflower, the center part. We're going to draw a big circle. It's going to go around and almost touch.
The eyes.
Yes, almost touch the side of the eyes. Here we go. Is that fun?
Yes.
All right. Let's see you. You could do it. Yeah. Around. Oh, it's such a cute little sunflower. Like it. Okay, now we're going to draw the petals. And let's first start by drawing a petal on top of our sunflower. So I'm going to go up and then back down.
Pointy.
Yeah, pointy petal.
It looks like he has a mohawk.
Then we can draw one on the bottom. Let's draw another one down here and then back up. And we try to make that the same size, although this one looks a little bigger than my other one. Ah, that's awesome. Now we're going to draw one on the side. Go out and back in. Same shape. And then I'm going to also draw one on the right side. And if we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video. Now we're going to draw a petal in between each of these. So we're going to draw one here, go up, and then back down. Repeat the same step, and I'm going to do the same thing over here in between all of them. Now on mine, a lot of them are close together, so we could draw one more petal like this, and it's just part of a petal because it's behind the other 2. Now if you have extra space, you could just add a full petal right there, and then yes, and then add little ones in between that one. Now this part we're going to fast forward, but you guys can pause it and take the time to draw all of your petals. Your sunflower looks super cute. Now, what are we missing?
The stem.
The stem, yeah. If we left it like this, it would just look like the sun.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to draw a wiggly line. It's going to come down, wiggle one direction, and then back the other.
Wiggle wobbly.
Yeah, kind of looks like our sunflower is dancing. Now we're going to repeat that same line right next to it. So I'm going to draw another line that goes right alongside the first one. Perfect. Now, what should we draw next?
The leaves.
The leaves. Okay. We're going to draw one on each side. I'm going to draw a curve that comes out. Now, if you want, you could just draw a simple curve that comes back in, or you could draw a more challenging line. You could draw kind of an S line. See how it curves and then curves back the other way.
Or you could just do a pointy line.
Yeah, you could just
go boop,
perfect. Yes, just like that. Now, let's repeat that step. And we can have some practice if we repeat. So there's the curve, the top one. And then I'm going to draw a simple one that comes back without drawing the S curve. And that keeps the step a little easier. All right, now let's draw the center for each leaf. I'm going to draw another curve right down the middle on both leaves. All right, Hallie, we did it. We finished drawing our sunflower, except we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color.
Yeah, it's gonna look so much better once we color it. We're gonna fast forward again, but at the end, you can pause it to match the same coloring. Good job on coloring your sunflower. She turned out really cute. I love that you added eyelashes. Rule number 1.
Always add We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your sunflowers.
Yes, and it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Ours look different, and they both look amazing.
Yes.
Because the most important thing is,
To have fun.
yes, remember to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye. If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.